Hey, there's a new app around the corner. It's called Signal, and in this video, I will show you how to create a group or how to create groups on Signal in 2021. It's basically the same thing on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this for free, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate it. I will appreciate helping you out. And also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know. So what you want to do is go ahead, open up the Signal app, and you want to click on the pencil at the top right corner. From there, you want to select the first option called New Group. It's a really good way to communicate with friends, and if you're tired of Viber, WhatsApp, here is a good alternative. So what I will do is actually select a friend of mine. I'll select the check mark and then click on next. And you can add a picture to the group or from your camera roll, from your library. Let's add a picture from our camera, allowing access. I'll just use a picture of my microphone using a photo. Group name, I can select, for example, test group 2021, clicking on create. And now we have a bunch of options within our group. For example, I can video call the group, I can invite other friends to the group, I can add more images, text, photo, GIFs, files, location, and a lot of other stuff. If this video helped you out, you can give me a like, because each like gets me a few more views, and we're uploading hundreds of videos per week, and we really appreciate all the likes we can get. See you in one of the next videos, hopefully.